Hello, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Camille, your trusted realtor specializing in condos and townhomes throughout Union County, New Jersey. I'm excited to bring you another great home tour today. Before we dive into the details, are you planning a move to Union County and hoping to find a place that's both comfortable and easy to maintain? Whether you're relocating for work, family, or a fresh start, I help buyers like you find homes that offer the right mix of convenience, location, and lifestyle. If you're looking for a smooth transition into the area, let's connect. Text me at 973-544-8655 or click on one of the links below to explore your next step. Today's home is a 2-bedroom, 2.5-bathroom townhouse located in the Reserve in Scotch Plains, New Jersey. This beautiful community offers thoughtful layouts and a peaceful setting while still being close to everything you need. Want to compare layouts? Check out my other tour from the Reserve. I linked it above. If you need some guidance on your home search, head to condosofunioncounty.com, reach out to me directly, or schedule a consultation using the link below. Thanks for joining me. Now let's take the tour. Bye.